I partly chose the lizard because it was 2 colors to work with, so green and yellow, and the rest of it was shading. So the hardest part of this was making sure that the optical illusion was there in addition to getting all of the colors and all of the shading for the lizard down. But if I figured if I only had to work with really 4 body paints, so green, yellow, black, and white, you know, I could do that. I could get that done. I can get shading done pretty quick, and I thought, let's try it. I thought, this is what I'm doing. I'm doing an optical illusion where I only have to do part of my face. I still have the character underneath, but it's something unique, it's something different, and it's something very me because I really have enjoyed incorporating the optical illusions somehow into my art. So I created this really cool optical illusion of my skin peeling away with the lizard underneath, and like I said, really happy with it for what I could do in an hour. Honestly, kind of shocked that I was able to complete it in an hour. However, my completed pictures are really neat. They trick the eye. The optical illusion is there. The lizard is there. It definitely does take a minute to figure out where my lizard eye is, and that's what I want. I want someone to be able to look at the picture and just for a split second go, where is... Oh. So, you know, if that can happen with a couple of people, I'll be happy. Overall, I am super happy with the final product and really excited to share it with everyone, and really excited to see what other makeup artists have come up with